Hello, Parkview students. This is Miss Michael. I am going over activation energy and enzymes in this short video. At the top of the screen, it gives you a little description of what activation energy is and what enzymes are. As a recap, enzymes are proteins that are there to speed up chemical reactions. They're called catalysts because they speed up the chemical reaction. And enzymes have what is called an active site. Now at the diagram at the bottom, you can see right here is the active site, and the substrate that's being changed, that's the substance that's changing. It's either being broken down like it is in this diagram, or it's just being turned into a totally different chemical. But the substrate that's broken down attaches here to the active site, and the chemical reaction occurs and it breaks it down into products. Now, with the presence of the enzyme, it is lowering the activation energy needed. Okay, so if you look at the graph here, it shows that this is the energy. Okay, your y-axis is the energy that is needed for the chemical reaction to occur, the activation energy. And you can look at this line right here. Okay, this line B, represents our chemical reaction happening with an enzyme. So this diagram below, there would be very low activation energy, little to no activation energy. Okay, without the enzyme present, okay, activation energy increases. So if you look at line A is showing that there is more activation energy needed because there is no enzyme present. So again, activation energy is the energy required to start a reaction. Enzymes that are these proteins that bind to a molecule or substrate, they modify it and they lower the energy required to make it actually react. So the rate of reaction increases if the activation energy decreases. If there's an enzyme present, it's going to lower the activation energy. If there's no enzyme, it's going to increase the activation energy. And if you want to pause this video, you want to print this from my e-class, you can, and you can go over these 5 questions. But again, activation energy is more of it is needed when there is no enzyme. With the enzyme present, it lowers that activation energy.